Alright guys, today's the day I'm going to be tearing this beast apart. So all the doors, the hood, the fender, the bumper, rear bumper will be off, trunk will be off. Everything is going to be removed from this car so that it is all completely ready for paint on the quarters and the roof and the door jambs. So let's go ahead and get started. Leave a comment down below if you want to see any individual things on the car taken apart, otherwise I'll be uploading them by random every few days. Enjoy the rest of the video. All right, so I'm about 25 minutes in. I have the hood, all four doors, and the bumper off on the front. So now I need to remove both of the fender. I also have to do the trunk and the rear bumper and the tail lights as well. I'm gonna leave the headlights in so that I can avoid a headlight code until I absolutely need them out. And down here is a really rusty T30. No matter what you do, that thing is probably just gonna ruin your fender. Every single time I take that bolt off, it ruins that part of the fender. I'd say this thing's toast. Looks like the tire's been rubbing up on it for a while. Well, my tire's not at all worn in that spot, so I'm a bit relieved. It was probably my winter tires that were doing that because they're a little bit bigger. Let's go ahead and get this upper trim off. Go ahead and start either at the front or the back. Just kind of pull it off like this. Real simple. Moving forward, I'm not going to show you this part, but I'm going to have to take this tool right here and pry on all of these little tabs all over the vehicle. Everywhere that has had those tabs, they have to come off in order to paint. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.